Hey, what I'm going to do here is show you we have one of our clients out here, Reed, with his horse, Marlin. And he's they've been coming out once a week, him and his wife, working with their horses, and to get the feel for uh, how to handle them and how to ride them and how to do the groundwork and stuff. It's not enough that um, we train a horse, but the person needs to be trained in order to get the feel for um, how to interact and how to work with their horse. So I'll turn the camera around and we can watch what he's doing. All right, this is Reed and his horse Marlin, who is a perch around quarter horse cross, and he's learning how to uh, do like a flight check on him and do some groundwork with him. He's just mostly trying to get the feel for working horse. And if you see how Reed is stepping towards his horse. He's stepping towards him constantly. That's good. A lot of times you may find yourself doing this where you'll step backwards or something. Um, you want to be walking towards the horse.
Use that offhand and put a little pressure there.
Yep.
Bump. See, he's looking out.
Seeing that he's just trying to get
straight down towards your knee. Bump, bump. Now pressure on the hind, hind, hind. Pressure on the hind. And that's good. I like it. I noticed it. I noticed you slow down.
Yeah, see what he did right there is Eric's working. Eric's over here coaching him, and Eric's working with him and trying to get the horse to change his pace, his speed of moving to match Reed's.
Half hitch. All right, go ahead and
So,
tie it up there. And I want you to ask him other way. Other way.
he's trying to remember how to do the half hitch on here.
It don't have to be like super short.
There you go. He just doesn't want he's going to give him the canter, and he wants to not have him tripping over his lead rope there.
Might drift a little further.
So Eric told him, just pretend you had the lead rope in your hands and get him to move around.
Now I want you to ask him to trot. First you're going to move your feet faster. And then we're going to go into
Yep.
the canter also.
Yeah, what Eric's saying is, because first we're going to give him a trot, because we're going to move your feet faster, get him to go. And then he's going to have him go even faster to get him to canter a little bit. I don't know if you've ever seen like some of the show horses or like those Lusitanos and stuff. You ever see when it's, yeah, a little bit of sass there. He asked me to go, and we did that. He took off. But I was saying with the Lusitanos, have you ever seen those handlers where they'll step real high and the horse will match their high stepping and stuff like that? It's really cool. Horses really do watch you.
Just keep walking. But you see how he's rating you off of how fast you're going? Right.
See, like,
that's going to be helpful to
yeah.
you.
See, Eric is telling him, see how the horse is rating his speed to his speed.
Step to your left and then backward. Lift your left hand. There you go. Good. Ask him to come to you.
He's asking him to come to him. He comes right up. See, this has been really helpful for Reed and his wife to work with their horses as we're training them. It's really super handy. Because, horses they're not like an automobile, or something like that. And it's not like you don't ride a horse like you'd ride in a car. It's more akin to like say for instance, you sent your spouse off to learn how to ballroom dance, and you don't know how to ballroom dance, and they learn, and then you just think you're going to dance. You got to learn too. So it's like a partnership with the horse. It's like pair figure skating or something like that. So you have to learn as much as the horse does, and that's why I think a lot of people miss that. There you go. There you go. See, he stopped it. He misunderstood. Marlin's a great horse. Yeah, horses really pick up on so much, See? He doesn't like you telling him to can, or does he? Pretty funny. See? And this is normal behavior. Like if your horse does this, or, don't get yourself worked up. It's just what they do. They do it with each other. When another horse tells them to move off in the field, they'll usually do that same thing. They'll bow their neck and make a noise and kick out and do all that stuff. It's no big deal.
Yeah. This is where you got to come in and say, but I'm telling you.
Yeah. Eric was just saying, because the horse is saying that he doesn't want to, and this is when Reed has to say, no, you go ahead and do it. And this kind of stuff, when you get a horse that'll listen to you, even when it doesn't want to do it, that's how you keep yourself safe. You want to be a fair partner, but you don't want to. You can't afford to get pushed around. So I'll record some more when he hops in the saddle. Yeah, Reed's on him right now, and he's just been sitting there. So now he's sending him off.
If he makes a drastic turn one way or the other, you're gonna let him turn that way, okay? So,
Eric's coaching him here.
Right now he looks pretty good.
Yep. So what we
think about, you want to ride this circle. Just think about that.
Yeah. So what we do.
Now, right here, if he's okay, did you correct him or I squeezed on a little bit. Okay. If he tries to turn around, go ahead and let him, but you're going to keep turning him that same direction.
Okay.
So if he turns to the right now, you're going to let him, then you're going to keep turning him right until you head back. With the reins, just leg pressure. With the reins, or...
Yeah, I'm going to go by Eric so you can hear him.
To do, controllably, you know what I mean?
So Eric's saying if he goes one way, you're going to keep turning him that way.
Keep going, keep circling, keep circling, keep circling. Keep going, circle again. All the way back around, and then let him head off. There you go. Let him head off. So what you're saying is, yeah, let's explore that option. And what you'll find is he'll quit trying to take over the control. Okay? Now, he did that because we're standing here.
Yeah, I'm going to put the mic on Eric. Right. Here, Eric, I'm going to put this mic on. Ooh.
All right. Keep turning him right there. And get him back headed the direction. Push that out, that leg, that left leg there. Now, once you feel that he's not trying to go where he wants to go, then the lesson can start, okay? So how's he feel now? Like he's doing what you want? Okay. He's doing that because we're right here. Try pushing with that left leg. Push him over. Get that pull straight back with the reins. See, that time he wanted to go left. You should have let him. Yeah. And then keep turning. You see what I mean?
Let him explore that.
Yeah. Just keep on. All right, now that's where I would turn him. Keep turning him. Turn. Push with that outside leg. Drop all your weight on your left or your right. Yep. Push, push. You got to pull straight back with both reins. Push. You got it. You're fine. Bend him. Bend. Keep bending him till he slows down. There you go.
How'd that feel?
Feel like you don't want to go left. All right. So you want to take a deep breath. You're going to pull straight back. Slow him down. Now push with your left leg. Push with your left. Pull straight back. Pull straight back. There. Pull straight back. There. Keep going. Wait. Wait. There. He's doing it now. All right. Go ahead and let him walk out. All right. We're going to try that to the right now. So turn him in just a little bit to the left. All right, now go. Yep, there you go. Sit back a little bit. Don't pull so. There, that's the move I'm talking about right there. There you go. There it is. Good. All right, walk him out of it. You're pushing that front end around there. Go ahead and turn him to the left. Try to use your legs. There, see? You don't have to use them reins. That's if the legs don't work, then we use the rein. All right. Now try to turn him to the right. Just use your left leg. Left leg, push, pull back just a little bit. Slowly pull back. Push, push, push. There, good. Keep him going. Now just let him walk. All right, try turning to the right. You're going to push with that left leg. Look where you're going. Don't look at his head. Good. All right, now turn him the other way. There, see? See how easy that is? Yeah. All right, see, you were doing way too much the whole time. Okay, if he ignores you, that's where the rein comes in, okay? Yep. So just practice that a little bit. Just look where you want to go. Now turn. There you go. Good job. Now look this way. Nope, okay.
And a lot of times when you put your leg on them, they'll speed up a little bit. And then you just keep it on them until they do it and calm down, right?
Yep. Look to the right. Turn. really think about turning. I want you to come all the way over here. There you go. Good job. Now just let him walk out of it. Once you get over to this side, I want you to do a circle just like you did there. I just want you to look and try to get him, push him around with that leg. Look where you're going, push, pull straight back. Good job. There, see? Good. You're doing perfect with your hands. There you go. See that? You know, earlier you were thinking that he didn't want to turn, but it was more because you're doing more than he needed, and he was getting all that pressure was getting him worked up.
Yeah. We gotta get rid of it.
Yeah.
All right, try to turn to the left here. Looky there, look, that's pretty good. All right,
Yeah.
ride him on out of it. We as humans think that we have to control everything, and it's hard for us to break that habit, but if you just give them a little bit of responsibility, they are very appreciative of it. All right. Right. Now I want you to sit up just a little bit straight, and then I want you to melt down into there and stop him. Don't use the reins. Exhale. Good. Good boy.
That's awesome.
Pretty good, Reed.
He's doing really
How's that
well.
feel?
Good. I'm definitely gonna hop off and tighten this saddle up a little bit.
All right. Okay.
Okay, Reed's gonna try to get him to canter for him.
If you want him to, you gotta push him with your legs. All right. Try to sit back.
See, that feel a lot better.
Trot. There you go. See, I think you relaxed. See, you started talking.
Yeah.
Good job.
Nice.
Try to relax. Put your hands
Nice.
down.
Nice.
Keep your hands still, but let your body move.
Look at him go.
Good.
That's great.
All right, now I want you to
Woo.
take exhale.
Looking good.
And get him to slow down. There you go. Exhale again. Get him to walk. There, good.
That's great, man. Good deal.
Yeah, to me that's a lot smoother.
Oh, yeah.
Trying to sit that trot.
Well, yeah, that trot, you got to rate yourself to get him in a speed that's comfortable for both
Yeah.
of you.
Yeah.
Now, the last time I was trotting, the last circle was a lot better than before. Like you said, that was me.
Yeah, you got to learn to relax. It could be you're squeezing, it could be a number of different things, you know.
You could bring those stirrups down a little bit too. I think that helped.
Help you balance a little.
I know it's time to stop.
Just try to breathe, relax. Don't squeeze with your heels. You can shorten your reins so you don't have to pick your hands up so high, but you got to move your hands forward now so you're
Yeah.
not pulling on it. Put your hands forward. There you go. Try not to pull on it.
Eric's telling him to put his hands forward and not to pull on him.
Yeah, it's definitely a lot better now.
Short reins don't mean tight reins, okay?
Ah, good
Now you're
deal.
on the wrong lead. So slow him down, turn him to the right, bend him to the right, bend him, bend him, bend him, bend, 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 Alright, go ahead and ask him for the canter.
He
Use
was,
your left leg.
he was on the wrong lead. There you go.
Now he's on the correct lead. Do you feel that?
It looks good.
Alright, ask him to slow down. Don't pull, just relax.
See, you just slowed him down just by relaxing.
You're doing great, man. Awesome job.
That's awesome. Good deal. You look good.
Now just totally relax and think stop.
Tell him to totally relax and think stop.
Just relax. Go ahead and help him if you have to. Good boy.
That's awesome.
That
You
was
did
really
great.
good.
Should people subscribe? They should. Hey, smash that like button and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.